Welcome to Romeo, the channel that brings to life the strangest, funniest, and most jaw-dropping true stories, all reimagined with boundless creativity. Would you believe someone could get fired just for talking to a microwave? Sounds absurd, right? But this isn't a joke. This story is real, or at least real enough to make you rethink how you treat the appliances around the office. At Romeo, we tell stories no one believes, but everyone enjoys. And today, we bring you the unbelievable case of Ethan Reed, a completely ordinary guy who lost his job for a reason. That'll leave you speechless. Ethan Reed was the kind of person you'd call extremely average. At 28, he lived alone in a one-bedroom apartment in Chicago, arranged his cereal alphabetically, and wore identical blue-gray shirts to work every day. Stable, polite, a steady heartbeat in a chaotic world. He worked as a brand strategist at Brightscale, a marketing firm housed in a glass building downtown. The job wasn't glamorous, but Ethan liked it. Logos, colors, campaigns, it all made sense. His coworkers joked that Ethan would be the last person to stir up trouble, and the first to refill the printer paper. He liked things clean, quiet, and logical. So when Jill from HR messaged him one rainy Wednesday morning and asked him to come to her office, Ethan figured it was just a survey or compliance form. It wasn't. Ethan sat frozen in Jill's office, staring at a blurry printout on her desk. There he was in black and white, mid-gesture, clearly having an animated conversation with the microwave. His memory flashed back. That morning, he had joked to the microwave, "Come on, don't burn my oatmeal again, you monster." Then he laughed, did a silly villain voice, and added, "Good thing HR has no authority over appliances." He hadn't realized someone had walked in behind him. Turns out, a new intern had witnessed it, filmed it, and posted it in the internal group chat with the caption, "And Ethan has officially snapped a burn." The video spread quickly around the office, memes, edits, subtitles. At first, Ethan found it funny. Management didn't. Jill cleared her throat. Some team members expressed concern about your mental state and professionalism. Ethan stared. "I was joking. You know I was joking." She gave him that corporate sympathy look. "We have to take perceptions seriously." And just like that, the man who had never broken a rule was being let go for joking with a microwave. After that day, Ethan spent hours on his worn-out couch, staring at the ceiling as if answers might appear in the cracks. Fired over a silly joke? He couldn't bring himself to tell his mom. He couldn't put it on a job application either.